Hello there, I'm going to explain to you about remote EC2 Sandbox. First of all, there is an important issue when developing a project on AWS with a team. The team members often have different environments. This is inefficient to maintain them as a team. To solve this problem, we provide this remote EC2 Sandbox AMI. This provides a consistent development environment. Developers can access it from VS Code with the remote SSH plugin. They can use it like their local laptop. Here is the pre-installed software included in the AMI. AWS CLI and Amazon Q Developer are AWS-specific tools. Python, Node.js, and Java are the major programming languages for AWS development. Terraform is one of the major IAC tools. Docker can be used for local testing and unit tests. There are two ways to set up the EC2 instance. Using a public subnet, this option is easier to set up, but less secure. On the other hand, using a private subnet, this option requires some additional setup steps, but more secure. Here is the structure when using a public subnet. Developers can connect to the EC2 using a private key, and they should restrict SSH access with a security group. Here is the structure when using a private subnet. Developers need to create a tunnel to connect to the EC2 by using a VPC endpoint and AWS System Manager. NAT gateway is required to access AWS services outside the VPC, such as S3, DynamoDB, or SQS, etc.